What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a whipped frosting, which is so good. It's not too sweet and it's perfect for decorating cakes and cupcakes. So come along with me and I'll show you guys how to make it. Today we will be needing vanilla, heavy whipping cream, and powdered sugar. That's all we need to make our whipped frosting. Okay, so very important step. Make sure that your mixing bowl has been in the freezer for a minimum of 20 minutes. That way your whipping cream stays nice and chilled. Also, make sure that your whisk has been in there with it as well. All right, let's add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now let's add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And the last ingredient will be 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So there's 1 and 2. Now we will mix it up till it's nice and fluffy. Once it looks like this, nice and fluffy, make sure to stop. Do not overmix this, okay? So once it's just to this consistency, it's perfect. I added a little bit of gel food coloring that's green because I will be making my frosting green today. So mine came out looking like a minty green, which is just what I want. And I went ahead and filled up a piping bag full of it to frost all of these bad boys. I'll go ahead and frost them all up and I'll show you guys what they look like after. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. I'm very happy with the way they came out. Some may be a little bit messy, but that's okay. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry, guys. That was a bug. He tried to get up in my personal space. Anyways, thank you guys. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.